Hello friends, welcome to another video of Chartmojo. Today we can see Nifty have given a very clear gap up. With a gap up we can see a upside movement. Yesterday we were discussing about upside bias and in fact that proved to be right. But 19,800 was the level I was waiting for. Market gave a one-way rally till 800, then it consolidated. There was a little bit breakout, okay, till 825, but in the later half, again the market went down. So SL near this level, 25 to 30 point SL will definitely get hit. But still, we were right on the direction part. There was a heavy selling for 3 days. And on that, by looking at that price action, we were discussing there can be a chance of upside movement. So our upside bias was right, but I think market is still waiting for a Fed announcement, which is going to happen today. Okay. Now for the next trading session, definitely the impact of Fed announcement will be visible. And if you read the news, then it is expected that they are going to increase by 25 basis point. Now, these are all factored in the current market movement. Apart from that, how the commentary will be given by the Fed governor, that will be important. So in next trading session, if there is a very big gap up or gap down, in that case, one can avoid. But if there is no big gap up or gap down, then if I see in next trading session market breaching 19,850 level, then I would like to play for 19,950 and 20k. Okay, simply again market should try to hit the previous swing high. For downside, now I would like to wait for 19,500 level if there is a gap down. If there is no gap down and if market open in sideways zone and then it try to go down, then in that case we will keep this 19,600 level, okay, as a trigger level. If market goes below 19,600, then one can attempt for downside trade. Otherwise, if there is a gap down opening, especially if market directly open near 19,600, 19,650, then I would say wait till 19,500. These are the bigger level. Why? There can be lot of volatility in that scenario. Okay, so it is better to play safe whenever there is a news that can give us very wild fluctuation in the market. Looking at Bank Nifty chart, it is definitely looking good. Okay, so if there is again a gap up open above 46,250, then I would wait instead of directly jumping in. And on the lower side, I would like to wait for 45,500 level that we are discussing from our previous videos. On the upside, 46,250, if it is taken out, okay, and 46,250 should be taken out without a gap, then in that case 46,500 and 46,700, I would like to play for this two level. What if market directly give Bank Nifty directly gives 400 500 point gap up or gap down, then in that case I would like to avoid this. Okay, looking at Dow chart, Dow is looking very good, a very healthy upside move. So if there is some negative trigger, then there can be a fall, okay, and that fall can cause volatility in our market. Otherwise, if there is any positive surprise, now in this kind of rally which we are seeing on Dow, I think so most of the surprises are also factored in, okay, which means on a good news there can be also chance of sell off. Okay, we can't speculate on the news right now because ultimately will totally depend upon the Fed speech. Okay, so as of now 35,500 is important resistance level on Dow. On the other hand, 35,000 will prove to be a important support level. In case of sell off, if Dow is able to close above 35,000 level, then again we will take it as a neutral signal. If Dow give a closing below 35k, then in that case we should be cautious. Okay, on the upside, if 36,000 is taken out during the announcement and at the closing, then it would prove to be a very positive trigger. Looking at the Brent, we can say Brent is near 82, 83 level. It might try to touch 84, 85, and then it might try to give a little bit retracement. As of now, again, we are taking some neutral cue from here. Looking at TVS Motor, this didn't do well in today's session. There was a breakout and 14,000 proved to be an important psychological hurdle. We thought that because of this sharp upside moment, there should be a short covering. Okay, but I think today it went down. So this proved to be wrong here. Looking at the Gale chart, Gale is given a neutral kind of closing. For intraday, there was this level. Okay, in intraday it did well, but definitely again, if someone is looking for some positional view, then it is holding the current level. So this is a little bit you can say a pause. If I look at other counter as well, why I'm saying pause, because all of the counter, okay, which we have discussed, have shown similar kind of reaction in today's market. I think people are waiting for the Fed announcement. Here is a spinning top candle. Okay, again little bit of confusion. Okay, but this was a trigger level near that area. This closed. So I think there is confusion right now because they want clear trigger. Now going to graphite. Even graphite has shown similar kind of behavior. Okay, it opened little bit up, it went up, it didn't breach a trigger level. This was the level which I was hoping that it could clear and give us a breakout, but then there was little bit selling. If you see all the three counters, okay, the same kind of reaction is there. Okay, you can see all the candle are same. Okay, they are strong. Okay, why we can say strong? Because if the next trading day is weak, it should at least reach 50% of the body mark of the previous candle. Then we can say, okay, the bears are able to pull down the price. Okay, right now it seems like a consolidation. Okay, market is waiting for the trigger. Now for the next trading session, I would like to see Balakrishna Industry. See, this is the Balakrishna Industry chart. Okay, and this is the weekly chart. Let me go to the weekly chart first. There is a symmetrical triangle pattern formation on weekly chart. Okay, there was a good breakout. You can see a very nice breakout candle of symmetrical pattern. And let me go to the daily chart. Here is the current chart. Okay, now if you see the daily chart structure, okay, it looks like a ascending triangle formation. Now this is not a perfect ascending triangle formation. That's why I have not written that. And this level 2525 level will act as a hurdle. If I see this counter clearing 2525 level, then definitely I would like to give it a try, and we can see a good volume, especially when we saw that our counter which we were looking, there were some small body candle. Here I can see Marubozu kind of a candle. Okay, a very strong green candle, and it ended up also very well. Okay, there is no bigger wick. You can see the wick is also small. So I would like to try here. Okay, and 2525 would be the level. If it clears out, I think 2600, which is nothing but the, you can see here 2600 is this area where we saw some resistance. Okay, so till 2600 I'm expecting if we got a successful breakout in intraday. Now next counter which I am looking is IDFC Limited. Okay, IDFC Limited is forming a nice symmetrical triangle, a very good healthy uptrend. Okay, this is a very good uptrend. So if I see IDFC Limited clearing 117 level, I would like to try in this counter as well. And if this breakout is successful, then in intraday definitely 120 will become next psychological hurdle, and then 125. For this two level one can try to play here as well. So guys, this is it for the video. I hope you're liking our content. If you're liking, please hit the like button. If you're new to our channel, please do subscribe. Till then, take care. I will meet you in our next video.